What are tissues and organs? Tissue is made of similar cells that group together to do a job in the body. Humans have 4 types of tissue. 1. Connective tissue makes up bones, blood, tendons, ligaments, and parts of organs. 2. Muscle tissue allows you to move your muscles. 3. Nervous tissue makes up the nervous system, which includes your brain. 4. Epithelial tissue covers organs. Your skin is epithelial tissue, and so are your intestines. Tissues work together to make organs. Organs are self-contained units that have a specific purpose in an organism. The brain, heart, liver, and lungs are all organs. Here's GED science exam tip. How do we test statements against the data we're given? Many questions on your science test will give you a text, then ask you to choose an answer about that information from a list of statements. The statements will agree or disagree with what is in the text. These questions will test how well you understand the text, diagram, or other data. Let's practice this using the text we just learned about. Let's look at a question about the types of human tissue. Tissue is made of similar cells that group together to do a job in the body. Humans have 4 types of tissues. 1. Connective tissue makes up bones, blood, tendons, ligaments, and parts of organs. 2. Muscle tissue allows you to move your muscles. 3. Nervous tissue makes up the nervous system, which includes your brain. 4. Epithelial tissue covers organs. Your skin is epithelial tissue, and so are your intestines. According to the text, which of the statements below about human tissue is not true? A. A major function of epithelial tissue is to cover and protect parts of the body. B. Nerve tissue carries messages to and from the brain. C. Bones and blood are made of muscle tissue. D. A tissue is a group of cells that have the same shape and function. How do we get the answer? The question says, according to the text. This means that you do not need to know all about human tissue in order to find the answer. Instead, you're supposed to find the answer by using the text you just read. The best way to do this is to quickly test each statement against the text to see which statements are true and which are false. Statements A and B seem to fit with the text, but C does not match what the text told us about muscle tissue. Finally, D seems to agree with the text. We'll also check the question one more time to make sure we understand it. This question is asking you to find which statement is not true, so we're looking for a statement that isn't true. The untrue statement is C, so C is the correct answer. We didn't have to know anything about muscle tissue to answer a question like this. Keep studying human biology and practice understanding questions like these, and you'll be on your way to success. Happy studying!